Hi everyone. In this video I want to review my Couture Sewing Techniques book by Claire B. Schaefer. I've had this for many years and I love this book. It makes a good reference book, but it also gives you a little bit of history, a little bit of sampling on how to do things. But I like looking at their photos and getting ideas because I might not like something about this, but I can grab an element off of that and then plan it into something I want to make later. So you have Inside the World of Haute Couture, which is nice to know. It's very interesting. I love haute couture sewing. The art of hand sewing. I really didn't like hand sewing until I took a fine dressmakers class back in 2012. So they talk about shaping the garment, edge finishes, closures, and then it goes over skirts and pants, blouses and dresses, sleeves, pockets, jackets and coats, designing with fabric, and special occasions. So I love looking at, because I am a visual person, I just love looking at different details of the garments that they're showing. My own sample little patterns. Applying couture techniques. What I really like about this book is before I had it, I would do things a certain way, and I was always stressed about what's the right way to do it, what's the wrong way to do it. And I felt like because I came up with it, it must be the wrong way to do it, just being real. But when I see things that the professionals do them, I'm like, oh, I kind of had the same idea, so I guess it's not bad. Now I'm coming out of that mindset, but being a young, insecure seamstress, that's the things I battled. So, and this right here, look at the neckline of that jacket. Things like that that are just a little different fascinate me, and how it's constructed and what do you need on the inside, and this gives a lot of this information. You know, was this top stitched in or was it put in to the pattern design? These are all the things that I think about when I look at these. But it has a lot of information. Like I said, I like to look at individual elements and then see if I can take that and put it into something that I want to make for myself, or look at the type of fabric, because I don't like prints, but when I see something that's printed, it helps me to see a print in person, kind of what it would look like in a garment. So yeah, I really like the book. I hope you guys will take a look at it. I'll leave a link in the description box, and you guys go take a look. They're interesting. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's it. You guys go check it out. I'll see you in the next video.